I might need another mixing plate.
Yes, I like that. Okay, so does anyone need more plates or more napkins? Okay, cool. Okay, so at this point in time, you grab the customers more plates and napkins. It's all about the plates. Cool. Like I said earlier, plates are like 2 or 3 cents a piece. So if people want more plates and napkins, be generous and give them plates and napkins. In the grand scheme of things, it's like maybe a couple extra dollars an event. You know what I'm saying? So it's good. Makes for a fun time. So who needs plates?